Good morning and welcome to Futures and Charts. It is September 18th and it's a little later in the morning. It's about almost 11 o'clock here, but I just kind of wanted to see how the market was going to react to just anticipation of the Fed decision. So I'm just kind of hanging out waiting for that, and we'll see how that affects the market as a whole. But as we can see here yesterday, today oil is down, crude oil is down some, but if you draw a trend line from these previous bottoms, yesterday the oil market wicked up right to that point and fell back. So that kind of tells me that crude oil buyers weren't that strong going into this area here, so it's having a pullback now, and I don't know if in a little bit of time if we'll come back down to test this, or if we're just having a minor pullback at the moment, depending on maybe what the Fed does. So but that's what the crude oil market looks like right now. The diesel market is kind of doing the same thing. It's got a little bit different pattern. It doesn't have those previous lows like here to run up against resistance, so because it dropped a lot more percentage wise than crude did. So I think I don't know, it just hasn't come out of that. I mean, it's got a long ways to go to even come up to any kind of a trend line here. So who knows? And we're just in the wrong time of year for a lot of bullishness. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out over the next couple months. Usually you have a seasonal low, towards the end of the year. Not sure if we've already maybe hit that a little early this year. It kind of looks to me like the crude market may have, but that remains to be seen. So we can look at the grain futures here. I usually just follow the wheat pretty much because of our country's wheat country. So it's down a couple, 3 cents across the board on wheat. So nothing too big, but anyway, let's have a look at the wheat chart. And it's just kind of, after its nice little run up, it came down a little bit, had a follow through up, and now it's just kind of taking a break here. So it was getting close to resistance here on this line that I had drawn in the other day. So it kind of did the same thing that the crude oil market did, ran up against some resistance and sort of backing off now. But anyway, we'll just check in the down the road and see if this continues to go sideways now, or if there are some legs underneath this thing to get it to go higher. So I think a lot of it could just have to do with market sentiment after the Fed decision. So we'll just have to see. So anyway, that's what I got for you today. Just a little short one, just to let you see what's happening sort of midday in Montana. So we'll catch you in the future. Thanks for watching.